Hello friends. In today's session we're going to practice 3 rounds of energetic priming breath followed by a few minutes of calming ocean breath. I'd like you to, as usual, find your seat, placing your hands either palms up, palms down, or in your lap, and close down the eyes. Find your stable, seated structure. Sit bones grounded, supported, spine straight, nice and tall. Head is level. Try not to dip your chin. Arms, shoulders relaxed, legs relaxed. And just gaze for a few moments into the darkness at the back of your eyelids. And take a moment to honor yourself for your dedication, your decision to sit and breathe today. Feeling that sense of gratitude for your own self-care. And observe just how you feel at this moment. And take this time to drop everything from before now. Connect with the now. The endlessly creating present. Know intuitively, even though it's more difficult in practice, that you can simply drop everything that happened before and all concerns about what's going to happen next. Just know intuitively that the ever-present, endlessly recreating now is all that there is. And checking how you're feeling now. How is your breath right now? Connect with your intention for this practice. Why did you decide to practice today? What is it that you hope to feel or be? You could also have no intention. Simple being and simply accepting all that happens and all that is. So whether you have an intention or no intention, just place that in the corner of your heart and drop it, let it go. We'll start this practice with 30 rounds of priming breath. So let's take an inhale together. Exhale. And let's begin. Relax the technique. Come back to your normal, natural breathing. And observe the sensations. You may feel a little dizzy. You may feel tingling sensations. You may feel a sense of floating or lightness. Whatever you feel, pleasant or unpleasant, just accept and observe, knowing that it's all good. Let's go for the second round. We'll try for 35 breaths, if you feel good. If you feel like doing less, then feel free to do less. Deeply inhale. Exhale it all out. Let's go. Once again, relaxing the technique, relax the arms, relax the shoulders. Allow yourself to be breathed. As you float along with this changed awareness. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. And scan through the top of your head and through your face, your whole head, experiencing sensations. Now for our third round, we'll do 40. Again, if you feel good. You're more than welcome to do less if you are not feeling it today. Inhale deeply together. Exhale, release. And begin. Release and relax, allowing your breath to return to normal. Scan through your whole body, and just feel everything that's happening. And begin your ocean breathing, drawing in the breath through the imaginary hole in the middle of your throat. Contracting the back of the throat. Being soothed by the gentle sound that you're making. Allow the constricting of your throat to elongate the breath. Consciously lengthening your inhale and exhale. Smoothing it out. Staying here for another few moments. Focusing on your breathing and sensations in your body. See if you can even feel your body dissolve into sensation, where there's almost no more form, just sensations, not related to a specific place in the body. Okay, gently open your eyes. Once again, honoring yourself for taking the time to sit and practice with me today. Thank you for joining. I wish you a beautiful day ahead or beautiful sleep if this is nighttime for you. And I'll see you here next time.